Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy and customize an email signature in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your emails and settings online. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your inbox. After your email has fully loaded, you'll see your inbox pane on the left side of the screen where all your emails and folders are displayed. This is where you'll find the email containing the signature you want to copy. Take a moment to locate and click on that specific email to open it. Once the email opens in the main viewing area, scroll down if needed until you can clearly see the signature at the bottom of the message. This signature might include text, images, social media icons, or hyperlinks, and you'll be able to copy all of these elements together. Now carefully highlight the entire signature by clicking and dragging your cursor over it to select everything you want to copy. Make sure you've selected all the elements, including any logos or contact information. Once it's all highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the signature to your clipboard. This saves all the formatting and visual elements so you can paste them exactly as they appear. With the signature copied, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Outlook window. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is the Settings button. Click on this gear icon to open the Outlook Settings menu. This will reveal a panel on the right side of your screen with various configuration options. From the left side of this Settings panel, locate and click on the Account tab. This section contains all your personal account preferences and customization options. Within the account settings, scroll down until you find the Signatures option. This is where you can create, edit, and manage all your email signatures. Click on the plus Add Signature button to start creating a new signature. A signature creation window will appear with an empty text field where you can build your signature from scratch. Here's where it gets easy. Simply click inside the text field and press Ctrl+V to paste the signature you copied earlier. The signature will appear instantly in the editor, complete with all its original formatting, images, and clickable hyperlinks. Everything you copied will be preserved exactly as it looked in the original email. Now you can customize this signature to fit your needs. You might want to update the name, change the phone number, modify the email address, or adjust any other details to match your personal information. The editor allows you to make these changes while keeping the professional design and layout intact. Once you're satisfied with your customized signature and everything looks exactly how you want it, click the Save button to finalize your changes. And that's it! You've successfully copied and customized your email signature in Outlook, and it's now ready to use in all your outgoing messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.